Exoclick. This video, we're going to talk about Exoclick, how you can make money with Exoclick. It's an adult advertising network, one of the biggest in the world. They have a lot of placements, a lot of ways to target, a lot of websites that you can advertise on. It's the cheapest traffic like ever, just like all these other sites. So this is in 7 days, $23,000. Let's go over here to Exoclick. So Exoclick right here, you just, so I skipped ahead so you wouldn't have to, so I wouldn't have to freaking blur out a bunch of stuff. So you just go to where you can create a campaign, just in the campaigns tab, and then you're here. So you can name the campaign 1, 2, 3, and then you want to just advertise. So there's different options here. They have a lot of different options compared to other sites for running ads. So you'll really want to target adult, but if your offer you're promoting is something like anime, then do that. Or if it's like if it's a mainstream offer, you can do this one and this one and this one. If it's like a mainstream offer, like you're drop shipping some basic product or anything like that, okay? Now, regarding for adult, just do all, but if it's a specific type of offer, you can just select one of these specific types of niches. And then for your ad banner type here, the most common one that I'll do when I'm advertising here, and by the way, I don't start my campaigns here. I start them over on Traffic Junkie. You can look at tutorials on the channel for Traffic Junkie. But I always start when I test campaigns with 300 by 250 over on Traffic Junkie. And then when I'm scaling a big campaign really quickly, I'll go to other platforms and I have them all ready to go. Like here's $7,000 just right there. I need to add more funds to it. And then there's other advertising platforms I'll go to advertise on, like Arrow Advertising, Exoclick, Traffic Factory, Traffic Junkie, and all those ones. And also pop under traffic is very good. But in general, guys, there's like hidden opportunities hidden inside of all of these traffic sources, like where there's no competition. For example, if you were just to look deeper here, push notifications might not have that much competition on Exoclick here, or video ads, or freaking email clicks, or a certain type of banner size like 160 by 600. And that's why you got to test them. And the number one skill when it comes to marketing, especially with adult marketing or any platform you ever use, it just comes down to your launching campaigns a lot. Okay. So anyway, I'm just gonna demonstrate with this. Then you move on. Boom. So you're gonna do ad variations here. So you need to have a link. So let me grab a link here. Let me see if I can just do exoclick.com as the link. Okay, so I added an ad. I have to blur it out, okay, and it's pending and all that stuff. So there we go. Let's keep going. And so you've got to have ads approved initially with any one of these platforms. They have to be approved beforehand. And so anyway, I did one of my random ads there. I had to blur it out for you. But anyway, if you're going to target a country, you're just going to look up the country you want to target. For example, United States. Okay, United. Oh, there it is. Okay, so United States. You can even do states, okay, if you want to do any states. So it goes over here, the targeted locations, and your offer, in this case, whatever the offer may be you pick, basically, it's going to be whatever. Often offers have specific countries they want traffic from, and so you have to target certain countries, okay? It's very simple. Okay, so let's say the offer allows only mobile, or mobile converts best with the offer. You would add that, if I can freaking click it. Okay, there we go. Operating systems, you just leave those alone. Browsers, leave those alone. If you really want to get serious about, knowing exactly what operating systems, languages, browsers, all this stuff, then you can, and you need to use a tracker for that, okay? So Smart CPM basically optimizes just like automatically, but we can read what they say about it. So Smart CPM, maximum CPM, which is how much the cost per 1,000 people is, you are willing to pay. The system will automatically adjust the price for you. Cost per 1,000 impressions, it's like a fixed cost, and then cost per click, if that's what you're going for, it's a fixed cost. And so Smart CPM is good because it's automatic, but if you want to be able to scale without any issues, you can set a really high CPM. And if you want to view the minimum prices, you can go here, and I'll show you how to do this. So they already have it pretty much all selected here for you, United States and everything. So they say right, where is it? Okay. In general, it says 1 cent is the minimum, but you want to go higher. And so you'd basically, here's what I would do. I would do $1. but it's okay. You don't need to go up to $1. You can just say 50 cents, okay, CPM. And then you can competitively bid. And then you definitely want to set your daily limits of your budget. So you can just do 10 or 20 bucks. Your total limit can be 200 bucks for as many days it takes to freaking spend, which would be 10 days in this case if it does exactly 20 per day. All right, let's keep going. So quick delivery you don't want to do. You want to do distributed throughout the day. Quick delivery is a scam by far because it'll spend your budget fast. There's been times I forgot to click the freaking distribute throughout the day, and the data is only going to be for like a few hours of the day, and so you don't have enough data. Obviously, you get data, you get conversions, but you waste a bunch of money because you don't know fully what it would be like if the campaign was running throughout a whole day. Okay, that's very important. Okay, we just skipped this and we keep going. Then you target different zones. If you really want to block any zones and you're tracking this stuff where all the sites that you're doing, then that's great. Members area traffic is very powerful if you're doing like an offer that is a members area for people, okay, where they pay to watch whatever they watch. That's powerful. Also, premium traffic is very powerful traffic. So you can select that stuff if you really want to do that stuff, but you can leave it broad as well. You can block and target things. Okay, so the next thing you do right here, it'll just have a number here. Like sometimes it'll have like it says 1 here. Just get rid of it and then you're set. Okay, because you want to leave it open to interpretation. Because it's either you say the total budget or you say the total impressions you want to get. Okay, and then you can press create and then you move forward. All right. And it's going to say, okay, you're just going to target X videos, or if you want to target this zone, you can click the drop down here and say target that zone or this zone or this zone, okay? Then you press create. Your total daily, this is how much impressions X videos, for example, gets per day for this specific zone type, okay? 300 by 250 footer, that is 33 million daily impressions just for that one zone, okay? Now they got endless zones. You can see right here, you can go sign up for Exoclick and see for yourself. But there you go. Then I'd press create and the campaign would run. But obviously this would be a dud campaign because I'm linking to Exoclick, not even an affiliate link or anything. But anyway, check out more videos. Thank you so much for watching Learn Machines and peace out.